Do your natural mini twists unravel whenever you wash them? And that is why you prefer mini braids over mini twists. In this video, you will learn how to wash your hair in mini twists. Hi guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if this is the first time seeing my face. So guys, in today's video, I just want to show you all how I wash my hair in mini twists. Yeah, this is the twist. So guys, this is my hair. It will be 2 weeks by tomorrow. By tomorrow it will be complete 2 weeks, and my scalp is getting clogged due to the butters I use on my hair. And whenever I'm sweating, if I scratch my scalp, I come out with that oily something, and I want to wash it off. So let me show you how you'll be able to wash your hair in twist and it won't unravel. All right, due to how twists unravel, that is why people prefer to do mini braids instead of mini twists. But with this trick, you can still grow your hair or leave your hair alone for a long time in twists. And what I'll be doing is braiding like the roots of the twist. I mean braiding the ends of the twist. So I'm going to be putting them in sections, and I'll be braiding the ends just like this, just like this. So I'll be doing that on all the twists. So guys, I'm done braiding my hair, and this is what. So now I'll go ahead and wash my hair. Washing your hair in any protective hairstyle means that you are likely to focus more on your scalp than on your hair strands. Whenever you take down the hair, you can go ahead and give your hair strands a good wash, okay? But I'm focusing more on my scalp because that is where I feel is about to get clogged. So let me go and wash my hair and I'll get back to you guys, okay? So guys, this is the shampoo I'll be using, this Elan mentholated shampoo, and this is the conditioner I'll be using, Elan mentholated aloe vera conditioner. Normally I use black soap to wash my hair, but I decided to go for shampoo instead, okay? So I'll just go ahead and wash my hair off camera. So guys, I'm done with washing my hair, and I'm going to be applying my deep conditioner. I'm just trying to remove the excess water. So I'll also deep condition in this braids. I'm not going to be taking out the braids. So guys, I'll go ahead and wrap up my hair with this. I'm just going to let it sit for like 15 minutes and I'll wash it off, and that is all. See you all later. So guys, after some minutes, I have to wash off the conditioner from my hair, and I dried my hair a little bit with a piece of cloth just to get off excess water from my hair before taking out the braids. And while taking out the braids, be careful so that you don't unravel the twist. Okay, so that is just it. And if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Show your girl some love. Like this video. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Do you prefer using mini twist as a long time protective hairstyle, or do you prefer mini braids? Guys, I've tried mini braids and I wore mini braids for 3 months and I didn't regret it. For this twist, I will just be having them on my hair for just a month because I know that twist doesn't last longer. So I will always prefer mini braids for a long time protective hairstyle. Let me know what you think, but you can still leave twist on your hair for as long as 3 months if you keep doing your wash days this way, and if you don't mind the frizz and the roughness. Okay. And guys, if you have actually watched this video to this extent, thank you very, very much. I hold you dear to my heart because you are actually helping me get to my 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. And I'm so, 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 so thankful and grateful to you that have watched this video till the very end. Thank you so much, guys. Help me get to my 4,000 watch hour, okay? Check out my other videos, like the videos, leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push it out more to other people. Guys, don't mind me. I so, so much love those twists. I love my twists when they are fluffy and soft. So that is it for today's video. See you all in the next one. Subscribe, okay, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you're going to notify whenever I drop a new video. All right, see you. Bye.